Hey guys, my name is John Doble. Today I want to show you how to make this amazing vegan carrot cake that's delicious, very quick to make, and it's lower calorie, it's healthier than other options because this has a lot of carrot inside it. It has flax seeds, and it only has 64 grams of sugar in the entire cake. One piece of cake is 280 calories, so that's an amazing deal. I love it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so we are going to need 500 grams of grated carrots. I have grated them and it took a lot of energy and I was sweating so much. Canola oil, erythritol, salt, cinnamon, baking powder, and lactose. I forgot to mention, let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. We are literally gonna dump everything in. The carrots, oil, erythritol, salt, cinnamon, and baking powder, vanilla, 2 flax eggs, flour, tiny bit of lemon juice, and now we can mix it together. Because I'm feeling lucky, I'm just gonna put this in without any extra oil or parchment paper. And now we can put this in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. No need to adjust because we're keeping it at 180 degrees Celsius. And while it's cooking, we can make the cream. Very easy. 150 grams of vegan cream cheese. I'm using Oatly, and 30 grams of powdered sugar. Oh my god. See you tomorrow. Hi, it's the next day and now we're gonna decorate. It helps so much if you like, subscribe, and comment, blah, blah, blah. You know the drill. I'm gonna enjoy this now, and thanks for the memories.